Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody contacted me trying to get the golden rule nudge to nudge some lines. So I've got my nudge factor, and you see your nudge is gone, but if you unclick, you've got a 4-inch nudge. Now, one thing we can do to, instead of where you could have this line selected and do a nudge, you could go to Tools, Options, Customization, type in nudge right here. There it is right there. And then go to shortcut keys and give it a shortcut. I'm going to call it Control J. I think in older versions of Corel, it used to be that. Sign it and say OK. Now you can see with something selected. So I've got a 4-inch nudge right now, but I'm going to select, I think I've got too many copies there. Nope, just looks thicker. Now I'm going to select my line and I'm going to hit Control J. And I'm going to go with the golden rule, which according to him is times 0.168, I believe. And then hit the plus key and move it over. I'm going to Control J again, change the nudge factor times 0.168. Hit the plus key on my keyboard and see it's moving it over there. Control J times 0.168. Hit the plus key and move it over. That's all I know. Maybe somebody will chime in that knows how a macro would work on that. I can't get a macro to work on that. And the blend tool doesn't really do that. I mean, it does accelerate, but it doesn't accelerate to a certain amount. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.